Tonight we had breakfast calzones. Starting off with my dough in a measuring cup, I combined milk and water and warmed that up in the microwave. Then I added some sugar, stirred that around, and added in my yeast, and I set that aside. Then I melted some butter, added some oil, and cracked in a few eggs, and then I stirred that around as well. Then I went ahead and put my flour into a big bowl and added in some salt. Then I just stirred that around, dug a well in the center, and added in my liquid. Then I just slowly started mixing this until it came together. Then I poured it out onto a floured surface and began kneading it. And then I'm just going to knead it for a few minutes until it's all smooth and then it forms a little ball. Then I'm just going to grease my bowl with a little oil, flip it over a few times, and then I'm just going to cover it with plastic wrap and let it nap in the oven for an hour. Then I went ahead and got some bacon, some sausage, and eggs, and then I went ahead and just cut up my bacon into small pieces, and then I put that into a pan and let that cook until it was all rendered down and golden brown. Then I went ahead and added in my sausage, and I did the same thing, just broke it up and cooked it down until it was all brown. Then I went ahead and cracked all of my eggs, added some milk and some everything seasoning, and I just stirred that around and added that into the pan and cooked that until they were fully cooked. Then I just went ahead and mixed everything together and set that aside. Took my bread out the oven, punched it down, and then I removed it from the sides, weighed out the whole thing, and then portioned out my pieces. Then here I'm just going to go ahead and roll them up and then roll them out to form each calzone. Then I added some cheese, and then I poured out my weighed out filling, and then I added some more cheese on top, pulled the one side over, then I smoothed it down, and then I crimped the edges with a fork, and then I just repeated this process a few times. Then I made an egg wash by mixing a little bit of egg with milk, and then I brushed the top of all of my calzones, and then I put them in the oven on 375 and let those bake until they were golden brown. And there you have it. Hope you guys enjoy. If you try it, let me know.